Fintech has been shaking up the financial services industry, and at the forefront is Plaid, the company revolutionizing how we connect our bank accounts to the apps we rely on daily. With a 2024 valuation of $13.4 billion, Plaid isn't just a startup anymore. It's a fintech behemoth that's reshaping financial ecosystems worldwide. But what's behind this meteoric rise? And how has Plaid managed to stand tall in a landscape full of disruptions? And more importantly, what is next on their ambitious agenda to dominate financial tech globally? It's a lot more than just building fancy APIs. Plaid's journey to $13.4 billion. It wasn't always smooth sailing. Plaid's $13.4 billion valuation wasn't achieved overnight. Initially, the company was on track to be acquired by Visa for $5.3 billion back in 2020. However, due to antitrust concerns, the Department of Justice blocked the deal, allowing Plaid to remain independent and continue its growth trajectory. Fast forward to 2024, and Plaid's valuation has nearly tripled thanks to multiple rounds of venture capital funding, including a $425 million Series D round. This capital influx allowed Plaid to expand its services, enter new markets, and fortify its role as the go-to API provider in fintech. What started as a challenge, getting blocked by Visa, turned out to be one of the best things to happen to Plaid's future. In the financial world, where competition is fierce, Plaid turned adversity into opportunity, demonstrating agility and forward thinking. Rather than being folded into Visa, Plaid emerged stronger, standing tall as a key player in fintech innovation. Today, the company enjoys massive market share and a high level of trust among fintech developers, a rare feat for any independent firm that initially seemed destined for acquisition. This rise has been nothing short of meteoric, setting the stage for Plaid's next major leap, perhaps even an IPO. Building the financial web. APIs that power your favorite apps. Plaid's secret sauce is its APIs, which serve as the financial plumbing for over 6,000 apps, including household names like Venmo, Sophie, and Robinhood. Plaid allows consumers to connect their financial accounts seamlessly, whether for payments, investment tracking, or budget management. It's the invisible hand that makes everything work smoothly behind the scenes. These APIs do more than just connect. They integrate financial data across different platforms, offering insights that range from spending habits to investment health, all in real time. What makes Plaid's APIs so essential is their scalability. Startups and established financial institutions alike rely on these APIs to provide users with seamless experiences. Whether you're trying to buy stocks on Robinhood or transfer money on Venmo, Plaid ensures the experience is smooth, secure, and reliable. In an age where consumers expect real-time results, Plaid's APIs are indispensable. As more fintech apps emerge, Plaid's role as a silent yet crucial player only grows stronger. 2024, the year of Plaid's IPO. There's been buzz surrounding a possible IPO for Plaid for a while now. Though the company has remained private, all signs point to a public offering on the horizon. With the hiring of Jennifer Taylor as its first president in early 2024, Plaid is gearing up for the big leagues. Taylor's experience at Cloudflare signals Plaid's ambition to scale further, particularly in enterprise sectors. This strategic hire shows that Plaid is no longer satisfied with just being the invisible middleman. It's preparing to become a publicly known entity with global reach. An IPO would not only inject fresh capital into Plaid, but also solidify its status as a fintech juggernaut. Investors are chomping at the bit, eager to get a slice of what's expected to be one of the most anticipated IPOs in fintech history. An IPO also means that Plaid will have to deal with more public scrutiny, but the company seems prepared for the added responsibility. The question isn't if, but when, and 2024 seems like the year it will all happen. The privacy conundrum, balancing innovation with security. As Plaid's influence grows, so do concerns about data privacy and security. Handling sensitive financial data comes with immense responsibility, and Plaid has been investing heavily in security measures. In 2024, Plaid introduced enhanced privacy and decisioning tools designed to give users more control over their data. These measures include everything from encryption to two-factor authentication, ensuring that even as Plaid expands, its commitment to security remains unshaken. From tokenizing data to introducing two-factor authentication across platforms, Plaid ensures that its security measures are top-notch. It's a fine balance between driving innovation and maintaining trust, but Plaid appears to be handling it with care. Data breaches are a constant threat in fintech, and Plaid has worked hard to stay ahead of the curve, even collaborating with third-party auditors to ensure transparency. With new privacy tools rolling out in 2024, Plaid aims to keep user trust intact while continuing its path toward global fintech dominance. Plaid ventures into Europe, a new frontier. While Plaid has long dominated the US market, 2024 marks a significant push into Europe. The company has been expanding its services to align with open banking regulations across the continent. This is no small feat, but Europe's regulatory framework actually gives Plaid a leg up in terms of transparency and consumer trust. Open banking mandates that financial data be accessible across platforms, something Plaid's APIs are already built to handle with ease. As fintech adoption continues to rise across Europe, Plaid's expansion efforts are expected to bolster its revenue streams, with new partnerships sprouting up across the UK, Germany, and beyond. More banks, more apps, more connections. It's a financial web that's only getting wider. Plaid's ability to navigate regulatory environments also sets it apart from many competitors, as it adapts its APIs to local laws while maintaining high security standards. The European market could well be the next big growth driver for Plaid, as demand for seamless financial integrations continues to rise. Innovation interrupted. What's next for Plaid? One of Plaid's most exciting developments in 2024 has been its foray into income verification services. By integrating with payroll systems and other financial data providers, Plaid now offers tools that help consumers and businesses verify income streams more quickly. This could disrupt industries like mortgage lending, where income verification is traditionally a tedious process. Imagine applying for a mortgage and getting approval in minutes instead of weeks. This is the future Plaid is working toward. Moreover, Plaid isn't stopping there. Rumors abound that the company is exploring AI-driven financial advisory services. This means that soon, Plaid's infrastructure could not only connect you to your bank, but also offer insights into your financial health, predict savings patterns, and even suggest investment opportunities. If successful, these innovations could push Plaid even further ahead of competitors, making it not just a tool for financial connectivity, but also for financial planning and decision-making. The hiring frenzy, Plaid's quest for talent. Behind every great fintech company is a team of talented engineers, and Plaid knows this. In 2024, the company has ramped up its hiring efforts across engineering, product development, and privacy departments. With dozens of open roles in San Francisco and remote positions available globally, Plaid is building the workforce it needs to sustain its growth. CEO Zach Perret has been vocal about Plaid's culture, emphasizing innovation, collaboration, and a relentless focus on improving the user experience. The hiring spree is expected to bolster Plaid's capacity for innovation as it continues to push the boundaries of financial connectivity. How Plaid is democratizing finance for the little guy. One of Plaid's core missions has always been to empower consumers by democratizing financial access. In 2024, this mission is more relevant than ever. As fintech platforms become more integral to our daily lives, Plaid's role in making financial services accessible to all is critical. Whether you're managing your crypto portfolio or applying for a mortgage, Plaid ensures that financial tools are easy to use and widely available. The company's FinRise Accelerator program, launched in recent years, also highlights its commitment to diversity. By supporting underrepresented fintech entrepreneurs, Plaid is helping shape a more inclusive financial future. The API economy, more than just finance. Plaid's success in 2024 isn't confined to the financial sector. The company's API technology is increasingly being used in adjacent industries like healthcare and e-commerce. By allowing companies to securely access and categorize financial data, Plaid's APIs are proving valuable in contexts beyond traditional banking. This expansion into non-financial sectors positions Plaid as a critical infrastructure player in the broader API economy, where the exchange of data is crucial for innovation. What's Plaid worth? Hint: a lot more than $13 billion. With all this innovation and expansion, many experts believe Plaid's valuation could exceed $20 billion in the near future. The company's strategic moves, combined with its robust technology, make it a strong contender in the fintech space for years to come. And with more consumers turning to digital finance, the need for Plaid services will only increase. Thanks for sticking around until the end of this deep dive into Plaid's $13 billion fintech innovation. If you enjoyed learning about how Plaid is revolutionizing financial connectivity, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos. Got thoughts on Plaid's growth or predictions for their future? Drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.